Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Substack. Substack provides a powerful platform for writers and creators to publish their work, primarily through newsletters and podcasts. The core of earning income here revolves around offering paid subscriptions. When readers value your content enough to pay, a significant portion of that revenue comes directly to you, with Substack taking a standard 10% fee for its services. Building a strong subscriber base is crucial for financial success. You need to consistently publish high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Don't forget to actively promote your Substack across various social media platforms to reach new readers. Engaging with your community in the comments section also fosters loyalty, and offering valuable free content is an excellent way to convert casual readers into dedicated subscribers. Setting the right price for your paid subscription is a key decision. Research what similar creators charge and ensure your price reflects the value you provide. You might even consider offering different paid membership levels, perhaps a basic and a premium tier. The most important aspect is delivering exclusive, high-value content that truly justifies the cost, making it an easy decision for readers to become paying subscribers. To maximize your earnings, focus on converting your free subscribers into paying members through compelling calls to action. Collaborating with other Substack writers can introduce your work to new audiences through cross-promotion. Make sure to leverage the platform's recommendation feature, as it is a powerful tool for organic growth. Finally, always analyze your content's performance and reader engagement to continuously refine and improve your strategy for sustained income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.